Have you ever noticed there are certain topics you can speak about very easily? Very, very easily. You can just go on and on and on. But then suddenly there are topics that instantly shift something inside of you. So it can be any topic. It can be about a relationship. It can be about money. It can be about family, success, childhood, future. Suddenly, your chest feels tight, your energy drops, you start feeling overwhelmed, emotional, defensive, anxious, or maybe even exhausted. Even when nothing bad is happening, nothing bad is being said, nothing. But you still start feeling heavy around a certain topic. Why? Why do you think certain topics feel very light while others feel incredibly heavy? Let's discuss this today. Let's explore what emotional heaviness is trying to actually tell you, because the topic itself mostly is not the problem. It's the emotional story which is attached to that topic. Hi, and welcome back to another episode of the Flight to Fulfillment podcast. I'm your host, Ratika Seth, your life enhancement coach and the founder of the Freedom Divas Hub. And today, let's talk about something so many of us experience, but we don't understand it properly. Let's talk about why certain topics feel emotionally heavy. Because emotional heaviness does not just appear randomly. It it's through some information or communication. It's your mind, it's your body, it's your emotions trying to draw your attention towards something that is still unresolved inside of you. So like I said, it can be about anything. It could be about money. If it's about money, then every conversation about money creates this tension inside of you. If it's about relationships, then every discussion leaves you feeling overwhelmed and emotional. If it's about success, maybe you start feeling that you don't have the right to be so successful. You don't deserve that success. So different topics can make you feel different things. It could be about boundaries, it could be about your parents, it could be about your marriage, your future, your self-worth. Every time this particular topic appears, something inside you shifts, because emotionally charged topics point towards areas where you still require healing, where grief, fear, shame, or some unmet needs still exist. So today, let's explore what those heavy feelings may actually be trying to tell you, may actually be trying to reveal to you. Firstly, if that particular topic is connected to an unhealed experience, okay, let's talk about this. So, one of the biggest reasons why a topic can feel heavy is because it's linked to a very painful memory. So, maybe you faced rejection, disappointment, betrayal, loss, something you felt very deeply before, which is still unhealed. It's an unhealed experience, and the topic is connected to that. So, while your mind may have moved forward, you think logically that you've moved forward. Emotionally, that experience somewhere is still alive and active inside of you. So, whenever this particular topic appears, the old feelings also return with it. Secondly, this particular topic challenges your identity. Now, a lot of times, topics feel heavy because they challenge how you see yourself. So, I'll give you an example, okay? Now, if you feel very heavy about money, so money may challenge your beliefs about worthiness. If you feel heavy about success, success may be challenging your beliefs about your capability. If you feel heavy around topics related to relationships, maybe relationships challenge your beliefs about love. So, when a topic threatens an identity you've carried for years, emotional resistance, it appears very, very naturally. Number three, the topic contains unspoken grief. Now, remember, sometimes the heaviness is not fear. Okay? You're not scared. It's grief. So, the career that didn't happen, the relationship that ended abruptly, the childhood you never had, the version of yourself you thought you'd become, but you did not become. And because grief is often unprocessed, the topic continues to feel emotionally charged even years later. Number 4, the topic activates shame inside you. Now, shame is one of the heaviest emotions we all carry, and topics connected to shame can be very, very overwhelming. Maybe you faced money struggles, failed relationships, business setbacks, parenting mistakes. Not because, you know, those topics are dangerous, but since those topics touch parts of you that you've learned to judge, those topics start feeling very heavy. Number 5, the topic is pointing towards growth. Now, this may be really surprising for you because we are saying, you know, topics that make you feel heavy are topics where you are either unhealed or you've had a bad experience in the past. But now I'm talking about future. So if there's a topic that is pointing towards your growth, okay, you may still feel heavy. Now, not all heaviness is pain. Sometimes it's potential. Sometimes a topic feels heavy because it's asking you to come out of your comfort zone and evolve. It's asking you to grow, to have a difficult conversation, to set a boundary for yourself, to make a change that you really need to make a change, to face a truth that you've been avoiding all this while. See, growth often feels emotionally heavy before it gets you the freedom you yearn for. So, if today's episode resonated with you, like, comment, share this with somebody who needs to hear this today. And don't forget to subscribe to the Fly to Fulfillment podcast on either Substack or YouTube or Apple or Spotify, wherever you're more comfortable, so that you don't miss out on a single dose of inspiration coming your way. Your emotional heaviness, remember, is not your enemy. It's information, it's awareness, it's your inner world talking to you and asking you to understand yourself. Because the topics that trigger you, the topics that make you feel really emotionally heavy, and trigger the strongest emotions inside of you, reveal the places that need most compassion and healing. Not judgment, not avoidance, not suppression, but compassion. So this is me, Ratika Seth, your life enhancement coach, signing off for now, but asking you to just take a pause, take a break, and ask yourself, what is the topic that you feel emotionally heavy about connected to? I want you to acknowledge, I want you to identify, I want to ask yourself what feelings you carry, when you think of that topic, and understand what parts of you need that healing. Because heaviness mostly is never trying to hurt you, it's trying to guide you towards the truth. It's trying to guide you towards your freedom. And if topics like these, conversations like these, speak to your heart, I invite you to come and join our community, the Freedom Divas Hub, where women come together to build emotional awareness, self-trust, and lives rooted in authenticity and fulfillment. I'll see you on the next podcast. Bye-bye.